A warm welcome to all my dear children. This is Dorothy ma'am, and today we shall begin with the new topic from writing skill, that is information transfer. Information transfer is of two types: verbal to non-verbal and non-verbal to verbal. Now, in our SSC examination, information transfer is the question number 6A, and it carries 5 marks. And you have to do any one, verbal to non-verbal or non-verbal to verbal. Now, what is information transfer? Information transfer is a writing skill. It is of two types. If a paragraph is given, then we have to convert it into diagrammatical table or graph. And if a graph or pie diagram or any other forms are given, then we have to convert it into small paragraph. Generally, information transfer must be short and simple. Now, information transfer, verbal information and non-verbal information. Verbal information includes a paragraph, a passage, and non-verbal information includes table, flowchart, pie diagram, tree diagram, graph, etc. Now, these are the various forms of diagrams: pie diagram, tree diagram, flowchart, statistical data, and web diagram. You have to convert this information that is given in the various diagrams in a paragraph form. Now, verbal to non-verbal. Verbal to non-verbal. Words are translated into pictograph. And how to attempt this question? For this question, you will be given a paragraph related to some topic or issue. You will have to pick out the main points from the information given and reframe it in the form of a table, tree diagram, a flow chart, a web, a pie diagram, a map, etc., as mentioned in the instructions. In other words, you will be converting verbal information into non-verbal information. Then your answer should contain only those words which are an essential part of the non-verbal presentation. Avoid adding your own points. Cover once again the points that you have used in the diagram carefully. It is very important to understand what is expected in the answer. Now, verbal to non-verbal marking scheme. Your title carries 1 mark. Covering all points carries 2 marks. Appropriate graphic layout carries 1 mark. Overall presentation 1 mark, and total 5 marks. Now, for example, read the following information above and prepare a table to represent it. Now, this is a passage given according to a survey on the youth's preferences for watching TV. It was found that 39% of youth watch TV for news, while 18% watch serials. Sports seems to be the choice of 10%, while movies is the preference of 7% youth. The lowest preference seems to be for music channels, as only 6% watch them, and the remaining 20% youth did not seem to have any specific preferences. Now you have to make this like this diagram as I have given you the answer. Please go through it. Now, questions for practice. Given below is a paragraph on the different ways in which we can help to save the environment and keep it clean. you have to prepare a web diagram depicting the information. Second question is, read the paragraph given below and draw a table of comparison between Mumbai and Pune that includes the information given below. The table is given below and you have to fill in the information. Now, non-verbal to verbal. When a pictograph is translated into words. For this question, you will be given some information in the form of a table, a tree diagram, flow chart, a web, a pie diagram, etc. Information of this type is called non-verbal. The information given will be a bare minimum. It will be diagrammatic or pictorial and consists of a few words or phrases. The information will be about some topic or issue which will be mentioned either as the title of the table, pie diagram or tree diagram, or in the center of the web or map. Read the points carefully. It is very important to understand what is expected in the answer. You are expected to use the information to write a paragraph covering all the points given. Don't forget to give a title to the paragraph. Now, marking scheme for non-verbal to verbal. Title carries 1 mark. Use of given points 2 mark. Grammar 1 mark. Appropriate language and conclusion 1 mark. Total 5 marks. Now, for example, write a paragraph on the use of mobile phones with the help of the following diagram. Now, this diagram is given to you and you have to write a paragraph using these points. The use of mobiles. Now, questions for practice. Look at the following diagram and write at least 3 paragraphs on reasons for the failure of students. Also write in brief the ways to improve their situation. Reasons for failure, these all points are given and you have to convert it into paragraph. Books have the power to inspire and do many more things. Observe the web diagram and convert the information into a paragraph. Add a few more points to the given information. Books, inspiration, pleasure, motivate, teach and knowledge. You have to convert this web diagram into a paragraph. Thank you.